Going to be doing some traveling, so it's time to upgrade the vehicle. We've got a second battery in the back, so we can run things with DC with the USB ports all over the place. But we really just use a little portable inverter. It's time to put in a real inverter, a good permanent inverter. So we went with this pure sine wave. So instead of just being on and off, this is a nice continuous, effective sine wave inverter. Let's take a look at it. So this one's a great value. Comes with a manual right away. And when we pull it out here, not only are we going to get good clean sine wave power, but we're going to pull 120 from our 12-volt system. This way we can run all those appliances, even refrigerators and things like that, from our vehicle. So from one side it plugs into that backup battery. We've got the fans on the back here, as you can see, grounding points. And then we've got the two AC outputs, a switch, and then this is a port for the remote control unit. And the remote control unit allows me to put this away underneath the seat, kind of on the wall. As you can see, it's got real good mounting points here. So this can be put on the wall under a seat, and then even though it's got a display port right here to tell you what's going on, you can pull this remote control unit out from the unit and mount this elsewhere on a cable. So I'd like to thank ALLWEI for sending us this one to check out. This is going to allow us to upgrade the vehicle to use clean sine wave 120 volts in our 12-volt system. This is also really good for solar setups as well. Hope this helps.